tiny seed adventure. One sunny morning, Lily and Leo found a small packet of seeds on the porch. "Let's grow a garden," Lily cried with a skip. Leo nodded and held the packet tight. They were ready for a brand new adventure, right in their own backyard. First, they needed to find the perfect place. Leo found a patch of ground filled with dark, crumbly soil. He knelt down and ran his fingers through the earth. The dirt felt cool and soft, just waiting for something to grow. Lily brought over a small silver trowel. Together, they dug tiny holes in a neat row. Leo held the bag open while Lily carefully dropped one tiny seed into every hole. They tucked the seeds in with a blanket of dirt. "Plants are thirsty, just like us," Lily said. She picked up a bright blue watering can. She tipped it gently, watching the water sprinkle down like a tiny rainstorm. The dry ground soaked up every drop. Leo looked up at the sky and saw the golden sunlight peeking through the trees. He knew that the seeds needed the sun's warmth to help them wake up. He stood tall and stretched his arms out, pretending to be a growing plant. They waited and waited. Finally, one morning, Lily and Leo saw something wonderful. Tiny green sprouts were poking their heads out of the ground. "They're waking up," Leo whispered in astonishment. As the plants grew, Lily noticed a different kind of leaf hiding near their flowers. "That's a weed," she said. She reached down and pulled it out by the roots so their plants would have plenty of room to stretch. The days passed, and the little sprouts grew into tall, sturdy stems. Leo stood next to them and realized they were reaching toward his knees. Big, green leaves fanned out to catch the morning dew. Suddenly, a splash of color appeared. Soft, pink petals began to unfold in the breeze. "Look, Leo," Lily shouted. A beautiful flower had opened up to say hello to the world. A fuzzy bee landed on the golden center of the bloom. Lily and Leo watched as their garden became a home for nature. They had started with just a tiny seed, and now they had a world of color.